Okay. Saan naman po ay ako nag-perform sa aking activities sa Japan Association of Nobuo Ezahanos, kung saan ako po nag-aral ng 1 week to learn how to dance Japanese dance. Ayan, kinukunan ko po sa video from my computer to share you all. Yeah. And the spirit of Japanese dance I learned in maybe 3 days or 1 week. I didn't remember, but I learned because I performed in Dublin, Ireland World Forum, International Congress of American Biographical Institute, and International Biographical Center of England. It was joint forum, yearly na ginagawa po. Yan. I learned how to wear kimono, and of course I learned how to dance Japanese national dance. Yan. Kung saan po itong dance ko na to ay sa, I think, Kumaba Gakusei Kaikan sa Tokyo University campus. Yan. Alam niyo po, ang tao parang sayo lang, parang musika. Dapat makasabay ka sa lahat ng tugtog. Dapat pag-aralan ng lahat. Kung kaya ni Pedro, kaya ni Juan. Look at that. I really admire and happy to dance Japanese national dance using fans. Look at that. See? I perform in Tokyo Kumaba Gakusei Kaikan for the sake of my fellow countrymen in my activities in, I think, in Japan, where I see Association, Japan Association of Nobuo Ezahanos in Tokyo, maybe, or I can't remember this performance, but I'm really happy and surprised because my teacher teach me a lot how to dance in short time. All right.